adom B News 7 than bang nili bapuram senar non birtang tonpen arjuponik tha langlok so long sainik school ki BGF fan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen Indian Army IP Sing Lieutenant Atum ahoy adui nangkela Tuliram Ronghang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM ki puateng si majok le nangkhang dun pusitame sainik school ki BG pualong ke nangkhang dunun elo pu ki puateng si pini tadeking poyarni sainik school ki BG afan adi malong an Indian Army lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority atum nangka humri ik tanglo lapen labangso along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority atum pensita ahoy adui abang paklang dunlo lapen alangli tumpen herangke atum angno aningje atengke lake labangso alam mate akam amukha nili higher authority atum afan puthot pachini dam thusi akama bang puthot chengpon po pusi Indian Army 2L mate second lieutenant IP Sing pen pachini pon lapen labangso high school lake inglong aso locality atuma phamsi 80% abang ke thik pipo pusi pachini pon lasi kacharli ji ning ke hang abang pu bang phi atum sita emina long ria long pen Indian Army kache pamanji aphan charli iglong po mate avarsai long pon ikpo pusi herang ke ateng no nang pachini dun lapen non birtang ton pen lang ponikha
나가다 근데 손 좀 From here, another 5 km. That will be the boundary right there. We have a river. Because of land, it touches up to 5 km. But if you need 500, bigger, it can be located here. You can utilize it. According to him,
What side?
one side.
MOD had come here to survey the land of the proposed Chinese school at the place. I've been shown two options. Both options are generally good. So I'll forward thankful to the Principal Secretary for granting a full support to us for giving two land which are sufficient in the measurement to construct a Sainik school in the due course of time. I'm very certain that a Sainik school in this area will not only build up the education, it will also bring up a new infrastructure which will be an important landmark for the place. That's all from me. Thank you so much.